This is the area and we are having our breakfast. At 7 to 7:30 we are supposed to come and have breakfast. At 7 to 7:30 we are supposed to come and have breakfast, and today our trip is towards the island Minicoy. So meet you guys there. Hi guys, now we are going for day 2 Minicoy voyage. So I'll show the ship. Our ship was not shown. This is the ship. This is the ship in which we are traveling. I couldn't show on the first day. And these are the vehicles actually in which we will be going to the Minicoy Island. This is the ship. It's huge. It's a 5-deck ship. You can see MV Kavaratti. Those are the lifeboats in case of emergencies. And that side is the island, full of coconut trees. This is the deck. This is a jetty. Minicoy jetty. So we are going for first their sightseeing. Suppose it's to the lighthouse. Okay.
And it's drizzling out.
And stay tuned. Hi guys, we are going to the lighthouse. It's 200, approx 200 steps, and these are the steps. This is the, we are supposed to get a wonderful view. So yeah, and I'm climbing. Let's see. Okay, hi guys. So we finally reached top of the lighthouse and I'm showing you the view. This is the awesome view you get from the lighthouse. I'll go by circular motion, and it, you know, it gets the full of Minicoy, the sound of the waves. And this is the, just see the view. The view from the lighthouse which you see, that's the sea out there.
And I want to play. I want to play.
And believe me, the stairs are just too difficult to come up, especially the last one, which is like a ladder.
কি মাথায় বাড়ি খেলো ও সব জায়গায় বাড়ি খেলো ওই তো সুলার সব
খুলে দাও আমার এই ক্যাপটা।
উড়ে যাবে বাবা
Okay,
এই ক্যাপের জন্য আমি পড়তে পারবো না।
so let's meet at the beach again. Hi guys, we are doing kayaking. See, Medha is doing kayaking in the front and Ahobi is sitting in the middle. Till now I was also doing kayaking. Now I'm taking a rest with the oar.
And I am
So
doing the
it's too
kayaking
much
right
fun.
now.
It's complimentary in Minicoy. So okay.
I'm literally doing the kayaking.
Yeah, and now Ahobi is trying to do the kayaking from backside.
Can I have it on my front side actually?
And there are people more coming. Yes,
And it's very fun.
and it's fun. Okay, meet you at the beach. Hi guys, so our kayaking done, and now I'll show the beach. It's, if you come here, it will seem like you're in Maldives. It's just beauty. It's just beauty. People are going for kayak. We just did our kayak. Now we are going underwater. And it's just crystal clear water. Just see the water. You can see the legs even. Like I'm going in, I can see my legs totally. It's so crystal. And Aobi is having fun in the water. Oh wow! That's their traditional boat race. That's their traditional boat race.
We do have basic body sports activities to provide you.
You can see. And believe me, the water is very cold.
Yeah, it is. It's so cold. Ouch.
Yeah. We are just having fun in water.
And it's
And
too cold.
that's how we were doing the kayaking. It is just like it's white sand around. The water is turquoise blue. And it's just lovely. It's just lovely. So when we'll go for the tour, we'll do the video again. So here our kayaking was complimentary in Minikoy. After the lighthouse trip, we were taken to this resort where we'll be, doing our lunch. On coming everywhere, it is a welcome drink is given. There are also a lot of other water sports like turbo ride, which is 600 per person. Scuba is rate is same everywhere. It is 2,950. Here also it is done. And then there is the speedboat ride and banana ride is also there. Though banana ride was little cheap in Kavarati. Here it is 600. There it was 500. But it's in this water banana ride will be fun, just fun. Okay, see you. See you. So Ahobi is trying to do swimming, and this is the first time she has not learned. And she is attempting to swim.
Now this one.
And she is getting the confidence because she has the life vest, so she knows she won't, she will remain floating. So she is trying and it's sea out here, and the water, we can see crystal clear what's inside. So even if she goes under, I can plunge in and catch her. And she is trying all the strokes possible because life vest is keeping her afloat. There are the people who are going for banana ride and scuba diving. Luckily we could do kayaking twice because everybody is running for scuba. It was too much fun. Stay tuned and we'll go for fishery visit.
Bye bye.
Hi guys, we are doing the village roaming of Minicoy. We passed hospitals. There is one polytechnic college and government polytechnic college and 3 schools in Minicoy, and we have seen that. We saw the police station. This is the trip around the village, and these are the vehicles in which we are going. Very green, lush greens everywhere. So post lunch, this is the organized here. That they take a trip around the village in the open vehicle, more like Chota Hathi nowadays. We passed the hospital and the polytechnic college and the schools and police stations. So, you can see. These are the buildings. If you take this trip, you will understand a little bit about their culture. It's less Indian and more of Maldives style. Okay, checking out. We are going to the village now. And the village there. Fishing village. Fishing boats. Can't tell about ships. Big boats. Used for shipping more in the sea. These are all fishing boats. Okay, we are in the fishing village, and this is the Janaboni port. It's basically race boat, and we have seen this has something of a Kerala touch here. There 42 oars are there, and mainly this is used for the race. They have a yearly race and it is used for there. So you can see it's 42 oars are there, that is 21 pair. And we have come to the fishing village, and whoever is winning the race in this boat race held yearly, it is known as Rai Aramadu, and the governor will give the prize and give the Courageous Fishery Award. So this race really means a lot to the local people. So this is the whole boat view, and it's quite long and it's beautiful. It's Courageous Fishery boat. So for time being, we will be taking snacks here and roam out the fishing village a little. So bye bye. Okay, that's the shipping boat. You can see it is returning to the shore, after 24 hours, and it seems like they had a very good catch. And the people are pulling it towards the shore. You can see so many of them. So how heavy it would be. They're trying to dock it. That's where it is being tied, the rope, long rope. I don't know whether you can see it or not. And they're pulling it towards the shore. Believe me, it's very tiresome. The guys who are pulling it there, all young guys, is taking them. So many of them are pulling the rope. And at last it reached. And you can see the orange ball there. From that place, the boat was being pulled, and so many of them was required to bring it to this much. So you can understand the weight of the boat, fishing boat. And yeah, they are saying they have got a good catch there. Many fishes they have caught. So another small one. And these are the people waiting to see what catch are made. Because of the tide it's floating away. They are saying that because of the tide it's floating away. Just see the sea look of the island. It's just, this is the fishing village, and it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. So this is the Phalsari village house. This was established in 1701, and there are 11 villages with 11 panchayat, and each panchayat having a male and a female leader. So if according to the sex, if they have any problem, they have to go to that leader. Strangely, in this village, the best thing about it, I should say, that after if a guy and a girl gets married, instead of the girl going to Sasural, as we say, the guy comes to the girl's house, and it's the guy who has to give all the things which we term as dowry and everything. Here, the guy has to give the things to the girl for getting married. It's his responsibility to build a house which will be there. 2 celebrations are done here, Eid, and another one is Republic Day. So the 11th Phalsari village is the first village of this 11 village. So it has the traditional value, and this is the boat of all the leaders who was in charge. This is the village number 1 actually. So as I told that there were 11 villages. So yeah, there is one person who will give this briefing. This is more like the panchayat house actually. There, she is giving the briefing.